Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Girly Bits, Fiddle Me This, and stamping plate JT C044. I've got on Baby Girl Lacquer's Glitter Be Gone, and look at this, Fiddle Me This. This is from the Honky Tonk Blues collection. Isn't that pretty? Y'all, this one is so crazy pretty. It's one of those polishes that it can look pink, it can look purple, it can look green. Kind of reminds me of watermelon for some reason. I just don't know why. Maybe it's the, you got the green for the rind and then the kind of pink color for the watermelon. I don't know. First coat down, and here we go with our second coat. And I bought like a collection of these. I think it was after the Polish and Beauty Expo I went to. I believe I went, because I didn't get to go to their booth, so I went to their website and bought some stuff. And I'm topping this one with the Jealous from American Classics. It's like a thicker top coat to help feed those glitters a little bit, to make it more smooth. Once that's dried down a little bit, I'm going to top it with INMs Out the Door. This is a fast drying top coat where Jealous is not. So this is going to help dry down through my layers. You guys, tongue twisted Tina again. So here we go. We're going to have a visit from Woody. Hi Woody, how you doing? Thank you. And here is my swatch photo of Fiddle Me This on its own. This is JTC044. It's a beautiful star celestial type stamping plate. We got to get that blue film off of it and give it a wipe down with some acetone. I'll be using Maniology straight up black today. Just straight up black. And we're just going to hop on in there. I got my H. La Costadora scraper out. And let's see what stamper we've got today. Oh, it's my old Konad stamper. Yay. I love these stampers. I've got two of them and I love both of them very much. One's yellow, one's red. So there we go. Got that plopped down. And I'm just going to pull different images from off of this plate all over the place. We're just going to get crazy with it. This is one of the plates, and once again, I can't remember if I got it from Shein or Temu, but it came from one of them places. This is in one of my recent hauls. I don't know. I bought it recently. It was in my use it bucket. Oh, I love that image. That's so pretty. I am cleaning my stamper off on a lint roller. I'm going to clean the plate off when I get done. No need in stopping to do that. Let's keep playing. Do cleanup later at the end. There we go. Beautiful little heart with some stars. I just was really, really excited about playing with this plate. Here we go. We're going to get us a little moon going on here for our ring fingernail. A little moon with some stars dripping down from it. I am using a little piece of tape to remove anything I don't want on my nails. So there we go. Yeah, I'm probably going to use this plate a bunch. Sorry I'm out of frame. Again. Girl just can't get her stuff together. And then one more. We got to pick something else. Let's go with some stars. Yes, indeedy. So I really did like this plate. It worked really well. I didn't have any trouble with pickup. I haven't used every image on it, so I don't know if there are any images that aren't going to pick up well, but so far so good. Happy, happy, joy, joy. There we go. I am going to clean it off with some acetone real quick. You guys know I like to put my toys away clean so that they're ready for the next go. Could be 2 days from now, a year from now, 5 years from now. I don't want to pull it out and it be gugged up with some nail polish, so I want it cleaned up. There we go. I'm going to clean our little mat up too, because I use these all the time. And my scraper card. Get that scraper card clean too. I'm going to top these with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. And once that's dry, I'll be topping these with Poshe top coat today. And this one just wowed me. And believe it or not, even though I used a peel-off base coat, these jokers lasted for about 5 days. So happy with that. Very nice. Alright, gonna cap that free edge and call this one to done. To did. All right, gotta get Woody back out here. Hey, Woody. How you done? And there's my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.